Hey everyone, it's Miss Jacobs. Today we're going to talk about the mean, median, mode, and range of a set of numbers. So what those means is we're just going to find some qualities out about a set of numbers. In this case, we have this set of 7 numbers. We're going to go ahead and start talking about the mean. So you see here, we've got some words up here we don't know what they mean. Underneath them, I've kind of made it a little bit simpler. I'm going to kind of explain. So for our mean, we're going to think about the average of this set of numbers. Median, we're going to talk about the middle number. So we have 7 numbers. We're going to find whichever one is in the middle. Mode, we're going to talk about the most frequent number. So whichever number comes the most frequently. And range, we're going to think about the difference between the highest number and the lowest number. So let's go ahead and just start with mean here. In order to find the mean, we are going to add all of the numbers together, and then we are going to divide by how many numbers we added together. So you'll see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers. We'll divide, in this case, by 7. Let's go ahead and do that. I've got my calculator with me, so 22 plus 25 plus 28 plus 28 plus 30 plus 32 plus 35. That's going to give us 200. Now, we've added all the numbers together. Let's divide by how many numbers we added together, which is 7, to get our mean of 200 divided by 7 equals 28.57. We're going to go ahead and leave that there at 2 decimal places. That is going to be our mean. Now let's think about finding our median. To find the median, we're going to think about the middle number. So what I like to do to find the median, I'm going to go ahead and erase these dots here for us. I'm going to put a dot underneath each number on either side from the lowest and then to the highest. Watch what I do here. We're going to find the middle. So we've got 1 on the lowest, and here's the highest. So we see we're kind of narrowing down where our options are for the middle. Let's go ahead and do that again. All right, it looks like we're going to find a middle soon. Let's keep going. Awesome. It looks like we found our middle number. That's going to be 28. So you see what I did here. We've got 3 on each side, which means this number 28 here has to be straight in the middle because we've got 3 on the right and 3 on the left. So 28 is going to be our median. Let's go ahead and find our mode. If we want to find the mode, we're just going to look at our set of numbers. We see that our numbers here are in numerical order. So let's just think about how many numbers we see here. We've got 22, 25, 28, 28 again, 30, 32, and 35. So in this case, our mode would be the number that occurs most frequently, which is 28. We've got 28 twice. And it is completely okay that the median and mode are both 28. Now, let's do the range. The range is the difference between the highest and the lowest number. So in this case, our highest number, we are in numerical order. Our highest number is 35, and our lowest number is 22. So 35, the difference is subtraction minus 22 equals, if I don't know that, I'm just going to come over to my calculator. 35 minus 22 equals 13. And that is our range.